everyone! Today I am going to draw a picture of a pastry and a cupcake. First, I am trying piece of a cake. Let's try to draw and paint with me. It's a rainbow color pastry. It's very easy drawing. Please try to draw with me. Drawing pastry is too much fun. It has too many layers. Look, the pastry is looking at us. Now I am trying a yummy cupcake. It's very easy cupcake drawing. Hurry up! Please try to draw with me. I love drawing cupcakes. Let's add some beautiful colors in it to make it look more magical. Pink color. Red color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Pink color. Green color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Wow, beautiful! See you on the next video.